Hello dear, I sent you a short video to show you the drone details. You see it's a 4XL smaller model. It's JTC10 with CE and C5 certification. It can be legally used in the European countries. This is the parachute. This is the propeller blade guard. Here it's obstacle avoidance radar, LED lights, gimbal camera, a spray gun, and RTK dual antennas. It's very safe. This is the spray boom with a rotation nozzle. Okay, and this is the remote controller. It has a screen, so we can use the application software to do the automatic cleaning. It comes with battery, charger, water pump, water hose, and hose reel. This is a foam nozzle and a 3-head spray boom. It's a toolkit. It's a ready-to-fly kit. The first manufacturer of clean drones in China. We already have 10 years of experience. So if you happen to have such a demand for the products, contact us for more details. Thank you.